Welcome to the virtual class of Advanced Marketing Management. In unit number 2, one point is remaining left that we are discussing today, and today we are concluding this unit number 2. Now the last point in unit number 2, that is brief profile of some top advertising agencies. Advertising agencies we have discussed in the previous lecture also, means it is a one kind of agency which is responsible for the planning, execution and broadcast of advertisement on behalf of the advertiser. So here company need not to worry about any of the task of advertisement, starting from the planning, then execution of the advertising, broadcasting of advertisement in various medias like television, radio, newspaper, hoardings. So all this work will be done by advertising agencies, and for that advertising agency is charging some fees from the companies. So today we are going to discuss about this type of advertising agency which runs in a market. So top 10 advertising agency we are going to discuss. Its brief introduction, means its history, then its chairman, CEO and top authorities. For that we are going to discuss. So first one is Ogilvy and Mather. This is one of the leading advertising companies in India, which inculcates a notion that devotion to the brand defines the profile of their company. This advertising firm is a subsidiary of WPP Group PLC, having offices in major metropolis including Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi and Bangalore. The objective of the company is to build brands. So the objective, here what you have to remember, if this question asked in your exam, first of all you have to remember the name of the advertising agency that we have discussed, that is O&M. Then we have to define where this advertising agency is having their branch offices or headquarters. So here we discuss that it is having its branches or offices in metropolis cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi and Bangalore, and you have to remember the objective. So the objective of this company is to build brand. So whoever client they are getting to advertise their product, so their major responsibility of this advertising agency is to create the brand of the client whose advertisement they are preparing. Now if we talk about the top executive, that also you need to write in the exam. Piyush Pandey, who is the executive chairman of the company. S.N. Rane, who is co-executive chairman and COO, India and South Asia. Then Madhukar Sabnav is country head, means in India the head of this company is Madhukar Sabnav. Discovery and planning, means planning stage of various advertisement, regional director throughout leadership. Then Abhijit Awasthi and Rajiv Rao, national creative directors in India. Client means which company's advertisement they have prepared so far. So their first client is Adidas, McDonald's, Amway, Coca-Cola, Tata Steel. So for these companies they have prepared the advertisement and recent advertisement. Now you remember this book or the content that we are reading is of 2009 and 10. So whatever example we are seeing, it will be of that period of time only. So at that time when the book was published, the example was recent, means recent advertisement were there, but nowadays it is old one, means 10 or 15-year old it will be, but in exam you have to write this only. So recent advertisement, like brand Cadbury Dairy Milk, and the advertisement title was the Subharam series of Cadbury Dairy Milk. So it is produced by O&M advertising agency. Second example is brand Seat Tires, Be Idiot Safe, a dig at race drivers and careless pedestrians. This time CEAT spends home the right message. So CEAT tires, they also prepare the advertisement. Third one is Vodafone Delight, sweet and innocent, describes the value added services from Vodafone. Vodafone is promoting Delight. So Vodafone Delight series of advertisement is also endorsed by them. And a world of exclusive deals and discount with TVS featuring schoolgirls in black and white film. So these are the notable advertisement that they have prepared for their clients. So any one or two recent advertisement you have to write. So here 3 or 4 example is given. In exam you have to write any one or two. Second advertising agency company, that is J. Walter Thompson India. It is considered one of the premier advertising companies in India that has the objective to make advertising part of the life of the consumers. This also world's best advertising brand with about 200 offices in 90 countries. So you have to remember the main point. First of all, you have to remember the objective. So objective of this company is a part of life of the consumers, means the advertisement should become the part of consumers life or routine. And this also world's best advertising brand, about 200 offices and 90 countries, means they are having their business in 90 countries and they are having their offices in 200 various cities. J. Walter Thompson is first ad company to introduce pioneer careers in ad for women, sex appeal, and also produced the first ever sponsored TV program. Top executive Colvin Harris, the CEO of company, Rohit Ohri, SVP and managing partner of JWT in India, Delhi. Adrian Miller, Chief Creative Officer, that is CCO in Delhi, India. Atika Malik, SVP, Executive Planning Director. Tarun Chauhan, SVP and Managing Partner, JWT, means J. Walter Company, Mumbai. So here the top executives of JWT of India is written. Then Tisla Sen, SVP and ECD, Creative Head, Mumbai. Client of this company are Ford, Vodafone, Nestle, Microsoft, Johnson and Johnson. So these are the client for them. They have prepared the advertisement. Recent advertisements are any one or two you have to remember. Brand Airtel, the street dance performance by Harihar Das, accompanied by Oscar winner A.R. Rahman's music. This commercial talks about live entertainment on Airtel's upcoming 3G services. I told you earlier also that 3G service of Airtel, they are prepared the advertisement, which is I think in 2009 or 10, right? So at that moment of time this book is written. So example is for that period of time only. Second advertisement that they prepared, that is DLF IPL, means when the IPL was started and the title sponsor was DLF Construction Company. So most of the IPL advertisements are brilliant, and the Manoranjan Ka Baap advertisement in the 2009 are one of the Andrew Simmons, and the recent DLF IPL 2010 Sare Jahan Se Acha campaign created by JWT welcomes the series back home with a "We missed you too" note. Right, so in 2010 they prepared the advertisement for DLF IPL, the new season that was coming. Then the third notable advertisement that they have prepared, that is Khaitan Fans. JWT has created a new music video for Khaitan Fans, which has agencies, executive creative director Senthil Kumar, the director's chair behind wearing the writer's hat. So 3 examples are there. You can write any one that you remember. The third advertising agency, that is Mudra Communication Private Limited. The name suggests that this company or this advertising agency is having origin in India, just because Mudra Communication is there. So another major player in India's advertising industry is Mudra Communication, which has been in operation since its establishment in the year 1980 at Mumbai. So you have to remember the year of establishment 1980 and where this is established in Mumbai. Recently, the advertising firm declared the addition of public relation, rural marketing, and event management. So they are not just preparing the advertisement, but with that they are also doing public relations for the various companies, rural marketing they are doing, and event management of various brand launch or product launch of the company's product. Top executives: Madhukar Kamath, the CEO and MD, Managing Director of the company; Pratap Bose, COO, Chief Operating Officer, Mudra Group and CEO, Mudra Max and Ignite Mudra; Jude Fernandes, Executive Director, Mudra Group and CEO, Mudra India; Sandeep Vij, Executive Director and Chief Knowledge Officer, Mudra Group Land, CEO, DDB Mudra. So you just have to remember the CEO name or maximum COO. Other name, if you are remembering, then it is good, otherwise no need for it. Then client, if we talk, Dabur, Diet Pepsi, Electronics, Femina and Godrej. So client name you have to remember. So these are the client, for them they have prepared the advertisement. Recent advertisement: on your mark, get set, go. Mudra Max, Wishland for Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon 2011. Then building your child's future in the coming years, Mudra Max executes on OOH innovation for Birla Sun Life Insurance. Third one is Street Smart generates massive visibility for Display XD's Marvel Spider-Man. So these are the notable advertisements that they have prepared. Fourth one is FCB Ulka Advertising Limited. One of the best Indian advertising companies in the arena is FCB Ulka Advertising Limited. Ranking 10th in the world, the ad agency has about 188 offices in 102 countries. So you can imagine how big this advertising agency is. They are having their business in 102 countries and having 188 offices in the various cities in the world. Their aim is to reflect the needs of the brand and not the personality of the brand. Means they are focusing that how the product is useful and not the person who is endorsing the product. And it has also has about 500 professionals and does not entertain prima donnas. So 500 professional people are there who are engaged in preparing the advertisement and making the advertisement more creative and innovative. If we talk about the top executives, Anil Kapoor, who is the chairman of Emirates; Arvind Vable, Executive Director and CEO in Delhi; MG Parameswaram, Executive Director and CEO in Mumbai; Nagesh Alai, Executive Director and CFO, Chief Financial Officer. Then client, for them prepared the advertisement, that is Tata Motors, Whirlpool, Amul, Z Network, Hero Honda. Recent advertisement: first brand or advertiser, that is Tata Docomo advertisement, where the conversation goes between interviewer and interviewee. You are hired. So again I am telling you that these advertisements are prepared during the time 2009 and 10. At that time Tata Docomo was operating in India. Second, most of the recent launches such as Passion Pro, Splendor NXG, Self-Start video has been capitalized by Draft FCB Ulka. So they also prepared the advertisement for the bike, that is Passion Pro, Splendor and NXG. And then third one is Lemon Mobiles for new advertisement. So at that period the new mobile phone was introduced in a market, that is Lemon Mobiles. For that also they have prepared the advertisement. Fifth advertising agency, that is Rediffusion DY&R. This advertising company of India has created a benchmark in the field of creativity. India's fifth largest advertising company is Rediffusion, which offers a wide array of integrated services for external and internal communications. The primary strength of the company lies in the media relations. So it is India's fast largest company, and they are also providing a wide array of integrated services in external and internal communications, and their main strength lies in the media relations, means they are maintaining good relations with the various medias where the advertisements are published. Say for example, print media, TV media, radio media. So they are having good relations with them. So whenever their client is saying that we want to do advertisement in this media at this time or this day, so they can adjust this thing. Top executives: Diwan Arun Nanda, Chairman and Managing Director; Dr. Rajappa, the President; Arvind Mohan, CSO, Chief Social Officer; then Meenakshi Achan, CCO, and Padam Kumar, NCD. So these are the various top executives of a company. Client, if we talk about MTS, PepsiCo, Bombay Realty, ITC, Kingfisher Airlines. And the recent advertisements are S Kadam campaign of Tata. So that was very much popular advertisement. Then Tata Sky and Indigo Vista, new Indica car. At that time it was launched. For that they have also prepared the advertisement. Then sixth one is McCann Erickson India Limited. The prominent name among the best advertising companies of India is McCann Erickson India Limited. They define work in relation to the impact that advertising has on the lives of masses. The testimony of the company in which it firmly believes is the campaign of Coca-Cola, Thanda Matlab Coca-Cola. This was very popular jingle, or you can say slogan, which is still remembered by the people. So this slogan or advertisement is prepared by McCann Erickson India Limited. Top executives are Prasoon Joshi, Executive Chairman; Sanjeev Nayak, President, McCann World Group; Govind Pandey, President, McCann Erickson; Manoj Singh, CFO, Chief Financial Officer. And their major clients are Coca-Cola, MasterCard, Intel, Nestle, and General Motors. The recent advertisements: Alpenlibe, right, a peppermint that were popular during that period of time. So Alpenlibe, greed, Alpenlibe's ongoing theme is well reflected in the commercial. Second one is MetLife India. Meaningful and delightful is how one can describe this MetLife commercial. Being a simple commercial, the main idea immediately engaged the audience. Third one is Happy Dent Radio Jingles, the new concept of showing the whiteness of teeth through a unique way of introducing the jingle. So if you have not seen this advertisement, you must see Happy Dent Radio Jingles, which is more popular during that period of time, and it was also a creation of this McCann Erickson India Limited. So these are the recent advertisement that they have done. Then seventh advertising agency, that is RK Swamy, or you can say BBDO Advertising Limited. It maintained the record of remaining consistently among the top 10 advertising agencies in India. Established in 1973, this advertising reached great heights. This is also India's #1 research company in the market sector, and it is fully run by Indians. Brand equity is an integral part of the company. So it was established in 1973, and it is India's #1 research company in the market sector, and it is fully run by Indians. So all the partners and top executives are Indians only. So this is a big thing, and brand equity is an integral part of this company. Top executives: Srinivasan K. Swamy, the chairman of company; Shekhar Swamy, group CEO; V.S. Chakrapani, the director of the company; K.L. Venkat Subramaniam, CFO of a company. Then major clients, airline and hospitality like Air India, Mercure, Homestead. Then residencies, automobile and related, Mercedes India Limited, Suzuki motorcycles, Birla tires, consumer durable like Futura cookers, Orient fans, Nilkamal, fast moving consumer if we talk about, then Rasna, Wipro, Sikakai shop, financial services like RBI, SBI, NABARD, etc. So they have prepared advertisements for various industries. Various industries example are given, airline and hospitality we discuss, automotive and related, then consumer durables, fast moving consumers and financial services. So for various industries they have prepared the advertisements, and it is notable that they also prepared the advertisement for RBI, SBI and NABARD, right, various government run institutions. The recent advertisement is Valvoline engine oils, Raymond new advertisement, advertise brand like Rage Mobiles, Advent Titles and Adam. So these are the notable advertisement that they have prepared during that period of time, means 2010. Eighth example of advertising agency, that is Grey Worldwide India Private Limited. A significant contribution in India's growing and domain in Grey Worldwide Private Limited. The company is primarily based in Mumbai and has offices in Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Bangalore and New Delhi. It is a subsidiary company of Grey Worldwide, and the company specialized in advertising and marketing services. So again it is Indian based company, and it has expertise or specialization in advertising and marketing services. Top executives if we talk about, Nirvik Singh, Chairman and CEO, Grey Group Asia Pacific, means Asia Pacific region. Nirvik Singh is the Chairman and CEO. Jishnu Sen, COO of Grey India, Bindu Sethi, CSO Asia Pacific, Malvika Mehra and Amit Akali, NCDs, Sudhir Nair, Vice President and Head, Grey Digital, Tara Kapoor, Vice President and Head, Grey Public Relations. Client like GSK, Kraft, Procter & Gamble, that is P&G, Coca-Cola and Canon. Recent advertisements are NFL, means National Football League, a 30-minute for all 4 seasons which promote NFL. So NFL, they have prepared the advertisement. Second, GlaxoSmithKline Beckham Creative Agency, Grey Worldwide India Private Limited. Then third, new campaign designed for Reliance Communications, means Reliance SIM card, also they have prepared the advertisement. Ninth one is Contract Advertising Private Limited. Contract Advertising Private Limited, this is among the leading advertising agencies in India. It is one of the one-to-one customer lifecycle management advertising agency, and it has founded in the year 1992 at Mumbai, and it has been offering a wide range of services like online marketing and strategy and many others. So again it is established in India 1992 Mumbai. They are also providing wide range of services like online marketing and strategy for many other things. Top executives if we talk about, Ravi Deshpande, who is the chairman and CEO of the company, Umesh Srikhande, that is Chief Executive Officer, Rohit Srivastav, Executive and Vice President in Planning Section, K. Vivek Kamath, Executive Vice President in Finance Department, MS Bajaj, Executive Vice President Bangalore and Chennai head. Kumar Subramaniam, Executive Vice President Mumbai head. Clients Pepsi, Volkswagen, Fiat, Masterfood, 10 Sports, the television channel. Recent advertisement, that is new campaign of SpiceJet designed by Contract Advertising Private Limited. So the first client advertisement that they have done, that is SpiceJet Airlines. Then second one is new campaign of Royal Play, which states bring back the spark with Royal Play surprise. Third one is a new campaign of Domino's Double Burst Pizza. The tagline was double the happiness. So these are the notable advertisement that they have done. Last advertising agency, that is Leo Burnett India Private Limited. It has noteworthy presence in about 96 offices in 10 countries. This advertising agency was awarded the Worldwide Agency of the Year in the year 2004. They are proficient in explaining how a single image is worth thousands words and can break the barrier of language, but not at the cost of the ad's emotional power. So this company is having 96 offices in 10 countries, and moreover they have awarded Worldwide Agency of the Year, means they got a award for the work they have done, Worldwide Advertising Agency of the Year in the year 2004, and their motto that single image is worth 1000 words and can break the barrier of language, means language is not a barrier and single word can explain thousands of things. Top executives: Arvind Sharma, Chairman of India Subcontinent; Nitish Mukherjee, Managing Director; K.V. Sridhar, National Creative Director; Rajiv Sharma, National Planning Director; Samir Gangadhar, Executive Director in Delhi. Clients: Samsung, McDonald's, Orange, Fiat, China Telecom. Recent advertisements: created campaign of Kaun Banega Crorepati Season 4, McDonald's awarded by ERAA in 2010 Exchange for Media Advertising Awards, and third Maaza Milky Delight. So these are the advertisement that they've done in the time period during 2010. So these are the top 10 advertising agencies. So in exam a question may be there, what is advertising agencies? Write leading advertising agencies. So you can write these things. So that's it for unit number 2. Here we conclude this unit, and we will start unit number 1 in the next lecture. Thank you.